how to succeed with affiliate marketing according to 90s cartoons. Hey guys, it's Daniel P. Robertson here. And I was a 90s kid. I grew up in the 90s, and I always loved coming home from school and turning on the TV to watch those, afternoon cartoons that would come on. And so, I'm going to be talking about how to succeed with affiliate marketing according to the sage and timeless advice of one of my favorite cartoon characters from that era. So let's jump into it and get started. I think you're going to enjoy this. Hey, it's Daniel P. Robertson here, and in this channel we talk about how to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn about that, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And so this video is about how to succeed in affiliate marketing according to 90s cartoons. And so the whole idea for this video, it all started with a post on Facebook that I saw in one of those entrepreneur groups. And in the post, she said something like this: "I'd rather study and learn from other people's mistakes so I don't make mistakes. Do you agree?" So basically, she was asking if it's better to learn and study and figure out what to do before you get started. And in my opinion, this is a guaranteed path to failure. Not the idea of studying and learning before you start. It's important to study and learn and try to figure out a good plan of action that you should follow. But the idea of not wanting to make mistakes, that's a guaranteed path to failure. So let's take a look at the timeless wisdom of one of my favorite childhood characters. And of course, I'm talking about the beloved Miss Frizzle from the Magic School Bus. And she always said, "Take chances, make mistakes, get messy." Do any of you remember seeing this cartoon? She said that in every episode, probably more than once in each episode, to be honest. Leave a comment below if you remember this. So let's apply this wisdom to affiliate marketing or online marketing in general, which really applies to all areas of life. I think if you want to succeed, it's key to understand this concept. You see, in my own life, the number one mistake I've made in my business and the number one mistake I see other people making is waiting to get started and stopping too soon. And this is the exact frame of mind that kept me trapped, kind of running around in circles, not getting anywhere, of starting and stopping over and over again for 10 years. In those 10 years, I spent a lot of time. I learned about all kinds of different things. I learned about blogging. I learned about email marketing. I learned about copywriting. I learned about persuasion and search engine optimization and paid advertising and video marketing and forum marketing and CPA marketing and, drop shipping and all kinds of different things I learned about. But I never really applied much of any of it. And I never really saw very significant results because I didn't apply myself. And so now I believe that there are 3 keys to success in life. And again, this is with anything, but we're talking here in this video specifically about affiliate marketing and online business. So the first key is getting started quickly. So take some time to learn and study, but then quickly implement what you learn. And then go and learn the next thing. Which leads into the second point, which is keep going and learn and improve as you go. When you first get started, you're not going to have a complete plan that's like guaranteed to succeed. You're just not going to have that. When you get started, you're going to have a basic plan. You're going to follow that basic plan, and then you're going to fine-tune the details as you go by learning and experimenting and trying different things, figuring out what works for you so you can improve as you go. And then that third key is, of course, to don't stop. There's so many times in those 10 years of my own life when I stopped, where I would do something for a short amount of time, but I wouldn't really see it through. So I would stop, and then I would go and start something else. Like I'd move from blogging to something else completely different, So So don't stop. Figure out how to keep going. Maybe there's things you need to learn and improve. And again, that goes back to the second point again, but don't stop, don't quit, don't stop and then start something else. Just keep going and figure it out. And so these 3 steps, when you apply them consistently over time, will let you turn knowledge into skills that lead to results. Knowledge that isn't applied doesn't do anything for you. I've learned this the hard way. In fact, it makes you feel worse because you know what you should be doing and that you could be getting results, but you aren't. Fear of failure, fear of making mistakes, and fear of getting started will kill your dreams and make you feel terrible. Just like that time when I knew I had the knowledge to make money online if I had been taking consistent, focused action. And yet my wife and my daughter, they were flying to California with $0 in the bank account because my paycheck for my day job came late. It was just a few hours late, but they were leaving that same day to go to my wife's grandpa's birthday party. He was turning 90 years old. So they went to celebrate his birthday, but they were planning on getting some food at the layover, and we didn't know if they would be able to get food at that layover because we didn't have any money. Luckily that worked out. That paycheck did come later. It arrived in time for them to have some food at that layover. So everything worked out fine, but we wouldn't have been in that situation if it hadn't been for the fact that I had consistently been starting and stopping and then not applying the stuff that I had been learning. If I would have been applying that stuff, that situation would have been completely different. And so the bottom line is this: if you don't take risks, you'll never get anywhere. Going back to that Facebook post, she said, I don't want to make any mistakes, so I'm going to study other people's mistakes. You can't do that, because there's only so much that you can learn by studying what other people have done. Yes, it's important to learn from other people, their successes and their mistakes, but there's only so much you can learn from that. Most of the learning that you're going to do is going to come from experience. So you want to get good at YouTube video marketing, as an example. Take some time to study the platform and the video best practices, and then go and make a bunch of videos. Or you want to get good at blogging. Same concept, learn, and then write a bunch of blog posts. And if you've already made a bunch of videos or blog posts and you still aren't getting the results, take some more time to study and figure out how to tweak what you're doing instead of stopping. Or perhaps maybe it's time to hire a coach who can point out some things to you that you can improve on. And know that you can succeed if you take chances, make mistakes, and get messy. So again, this is Daniel P. Robertson. And again, if you want to grow your audience, increase your influence, and get life-changing results with affiliate marketing, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon.